In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain with WP Engine hosting in 2025. This process is a great way to streamline your website setup, and it's not as complicated as it might initially seem. Let's walk through the process together, starting with logging in to your WP Engine dashboard. First, you'll want to log into your WP Engine account. Once you're in, you'll need to select your site environment. This is your main hub where you manage different aspects of your website hosted on WP Engine. It provides a convenient interface to manage your domains among other things. Make sure you've selected the correct site environment that corresponds to the website you intend to associate with your GoDaddy domain. Next, head over to the domain section in your WP Engine dashboard. Here, you'll want to add a new domain. This is where you'll find your name and a record details, which are essential for connecting your domain. Remember to note these details down. They are crucial for the next steps where we'll be pointing your domain to the right locations. Once you have your WP Engine name and a record details, shift your focus to your GoDaddy account. Log in there and navigate to My Products. From this page, you can access your domain management section. Within this section, you'll want to find the option to manage DNS for the domain you wish to connect to WP Engine. Updating your DNS records is the next step, and it requires a little bit of attention to detail. Start with the A record. You'll be pointing this record to the IP address provided by WP Engine. What this does is make sure that when someone enters your domain name in a browser, it will correctly lead them to your WP Engine hosted site. The next DNS record to update is the CNAME record. Here, you'll be pointing www to your install.wpengine.com. This is essential because it ensures any traffic to the subdomain www will also point to your WP Engine site, maintaining consistency and accessibility for your visitors. After updating your DNS, don't forget to save the changes in your GoDaddy account. This action confirms and applies all the adjustments you've made. Once that's done, you'll want to go back to your WP Engine dashboard to verify that the domain connection has been established. You'll probably find a verification feature or notification that confirms your domain is successfully linked to your WP Engine hosting. Finally, it's important to remember that DNS changes might not take effect immediately. DNS propagation can take up to 24 hours to fully complete. During this period, the changes are being communicated across the internet, so don't worry if your site doesn't immediately reflect the new connection. And that's it! You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain with WP Engine hosting.